Hello. This is making pizzas, biscuit pizzas with
pizza biscuits with pizza and biscuit.
Biscuit and pizza. Billy and Millie.
I'm Bobby.
Billy and Shibidibby. Boshkit.
I killed a man for less before.
Take a drink. Good. Now, put that down. That's just a comb. Anyway, we're about to make some grade A pizza. Right here. See that? That's some good pizza. Okay, put that down. That's unsanitary. But who cares? Dirt don't hurt, right?
Pizza pie.
Okay, back. Okay, now here's what we're gonna do. Get out the cutlery. The cutlery is good. Okay, see that?
Let me tell you a little something about cutlery. You see, my daddy always told me that. Daddy?
Forget about the daddy. We're talking about pizza. Anyway, wash your hands. Not really. Dirt don't hurt. Remember that. He remembers that. Yeah, just kidding with him. Anyway, he'll be all right. See this? We kind of cut it a little bit. We'll cut it some more. Got to get the pizza out. But first, I skipped a step. Now look at this thing right here. This is called the preheater.
Hey,
Yes.
Now what you do with this?
You hit the buttons. Now we already kind of did it.
What you do with this? Is you take the wood.
That's a little further. Now get this stuff out of the shot.
Hey, you need to let me do what I need to do. All right.
All right.
Let
Shut up. Now, I know about your daddy, that's your weak spot. Now, you shut up for a second, or else I will end your life, you little biscuit. Now, back to what I was trying to say. Shut up for a second. See this? That's the preheat thing. You hit this button, we kind of already did it. We're a little jumping the gun. Jump that gun, okay? Now, see, we set it for 425. That's some hotness. If I put my hand in this oven right now, I'd get some heat on my hand. Now I don't know why he's a lost cause. He's a spineless little baby. I'll bring him up again. I'll bring Daryl back up. Shut up.
Down there, say that man's name.
I have an actual knife. Okay, let me cut this thing before I cut you. Stupid face. Stupid head. Little loser. Man, I don't even know why I adopted you. I mean, why you're my friend. Okay, well, now see this pizza here. It's some good grade A pizza. I just dropped some stuff. Leave some for the ants, you know.
Wait, Billy.
Gotta feed
you
guys.
You can't forget the vanilla extract. The pure vanilla extract from Spice Select.
Dude,
ingredients: vanilla bean extract and water, alcohol 35%. Great for baking and full of nutrients and sacraments.
The YouTubes will get on our butts if we're not careful. So don't get the copyrighted stuff, okay?
But Billy, did you spray the pan?
Black beer. We marinate it in our pizza. It's good.
Billy, did you spray the pan?
Spray the pan? You pansy? You spray the pan.
If you don't spray the pan, it's gonna stick.
Now, what do those video game little kids say? They call them noobs, neebs, whatever.
I told you one more time I'm gonna beat the rest of it. You broke the one straw on the camel back.
The last. You know what?
The one straw on the camel's back.
If I knew where straws. Did you know California banned straws? Don't even know what that's about. That sounds real stupid. Makes sense, California. Stupid. Don't let them.
Did you know that California? Fun fact about life. Did you know that California is actually so stupid that America, United States, was gonna kick California out of the United States?
Shoot.
You know that? Did you know that?
You know, to bring it all back to our pizza.
Cement. Do you know that? Did you know that? That California gonna be banned out of the United States. You know that? I don't think you did.
Now, to bring it full circle, because my friend just got a little distracted there. Bring first circle. The only good thing about California is the pizza. And now, I don't even think, I've been down to Myrtle Beach. It's a really good beach. Not the cleanest, but like I said, sand don't hurt.
Hey, back up the knife.
Time out. I'm about to rip a blunt or something. I don't know. That doesn't make any sense.
But Bobby, that's illegal. We're not allowed to smoke blunts.
Now,
Tennessee or I never done it.
Time out. Okay, now, what I like to do here, you know, this pizza, we have 2 pans. What we're gonna do in a second, when that preheat thing goes full circle and it goes blip, 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 when that happens, we're gonna slide these little babies, we're gonna slide them in this old oven. Now get a good look at that oven. That's a nice oven. It's pretty old. Older than my son, Ricky. I don't really have a son. Like to say, see, that's the beeper.
Full circle's what I like to call it.
Full circle.
Full circle.
Per circle.
Per second.
Now, you don't want to burn your hands, but what the heck? I'm gonna burn my hands.
He got man hands.
Yeah.
Hands of man. Hands made entirely out of men.
Now, I tapped it in. You know, I was like putting, tapping in, tapping in. Now, this one's a little easier. It's a little wider. I could bench press this. You know, I could bench press this.
Now, what I usually like to do when I'm putting my pizza in the oven is I take the pizza and then I lift up my foot and then I put the pizza on top of my foot and then I balance it. And then my shoe makes up for like a pretty much an oven mitt. And then when I put the pizza inside the oven, I just slide it on in there. I just slide it on in there. It's really pretty much perfect because then it doesn't burn my foot and that's how it's really pretty bad.
You know what? You're all talk, Billy, Bobby, Biscuit, whatever. How about you do that right now? I dare you. Diddly dar dare you. Take it. Do it. I dare you. Put your tongue where your mouth is. Do it. I dare you. Do it right now. Do your little do it now. Do it.
Well, you really want me to?
Put the knife down.
Really, that was a gift from my mother.
Your mom gave you away to me.
Yeah, Billy,
You could have been the open. Do it. Do it. Do it.
I did it.
Do it now.
I did it. I did it.
Now do your little, do it. Do it.
Okay. Billy, you better shut up or I'm gonna take my 20 guys and shoot that in the fire.
That's our squish squad.
Alright, ready, Billy?
Yeah. What are you?
Billy, I'm doing it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my. You ruined. What the? You're ruining the merchandise.
Billy, I told you I could do it. And Billy, I did it.
Oh my gosh. What the heck? Anyway.
Billy, now we close the oven.
Now
Now what I like to do when I cook my pizza is I close the oven right on tight so that the heat doesn't leak out. Because if the heat leaks out, that's not a good pizza. Guaranteed.
That's a promise. That's a promise. Okay?
Promise.
Do it. That's a promise there, son. Now, what we do next is we take the little trashy smashy, okay? We're gonna throw it in the trash, okay? Leaf ball style. Look at this, son. We're gonna walk outside, not to that trash can. Thought you had me. I tricked you, okay? Now, change a little scenery here, okay? Now look at this. I'm gonna hand it off through here. Yeah, look, watch this. What? Pull it up. You go, whoop, bam. I missed, but I won't again. Promise, promise. See, that's one. That's two. And that's three. And that's a miss. But that's four. Okay? Shut that little sucker. Now, walk on back. Walk on back. Walk on back. Okay? Now, he's, I don't know.
I didn't do that.
Okay.
Billy forgot to set the timer.
Good thing the oven's on. Now, I put my hands down here, right? Now, normally, I'd have
Kids,
these
don't
suckers
ever put
on,
your hands on the oven.
unless you're a hands-on museum. Touch everything. Touch everything. Now,
You do it like this.
yep, that's high. Just,
High.
Just like cousin
H. Why? You know what that
was
means?
high
You know what
off his butt.
H-Y means? It means hot! Get a close up on that.
Turn that
boy.
off. Turn that off.
Get a close up on that.
You're gonna
Look.
burn.
It's hot, boy.
Now don't sit on that. I heard Satan sat on a tack and bit his mama's back. I don't know. That was.
Satan sat on a tack and bit his mama's back.
But he was that loose nerd.
Billy forgot an important part about cooking pizza, and that is that you gotta put a timer so you know when the pizza is done.
Yeah. You push. Now here's the trick. I'm gonna let you guess. How much time?
Full circle.
How much time do we put it on? Tell me that, King Kong. Tell me. Do it. Tell me. Yeah, scratch your beard. You don't know. You aren't gonna think it up because I ain't in your noggin.
Ready?
Yeah.
Is the answer to this question 18 minutes?
No, it's not. It's about 12 to 14. Now we've been sitting here lollygagging for about, what would you say?
3 minutes, Billy.
About 3 minutes. That might be right. Now, I'd say it's about right. Now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna set it for about, what's 3 minus the 14? That's about like 12, 11.
I don't know. I never made.
Six.
You know me, Billy. Why are you making fun of me? I never made it past 2nd grade. You know that.
Okay, I'm gonna say 4. That's about right. No, it's 3. We said 3 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
14 minus 3 is 3. That's right. Okay. Well, here's the thing. That's gonna be a little bit. So we're gonna, before we do that, I'd like to say, because we're gonna switch this up. Okay, we're gonna switch them, and that's about it. Then after that, we'll show you the finished product. It's gonna be good. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Now the pizza, it's done. So now I'm gonna put.
It's done.
Now I'm gonna put 2 gloves on. 1, 3 gloves. Okay.
Right, Billy, that's not how you count.
1, 4, 5. Good. Okay. I'm gonna get these out. Now they're starting to get a little bubbly.
Look.
Michael Bublé. He's a singer.
In case you didn't
They
know,
are running-
Michael Bublé is the singer that did the song Christmas Time.
Look, I'm pulling it out. That's a 1.
Back to your
That's
regular
6.
schedule program.
That's 6. Okay. Now look at those pizzas. Look at those pizzas. Now I'm gonna give you a little peek under the chassis. Now come in close. Come in close. This is Paula Deen stuff. Okay, look at that. That is some high quality Italian food. Okay? That's high quality. Say it with me. High quality. Now that's good.
Pizza.
It's good. You know, to demonstrate to you how good this is, it is rip your pants off good.
It's rip your pants off good.
Your
Rip
pants
your
off
pants
good.
off good.
Rip your pants off.
I'll cut a man for this pizza.
Watch it. Stop it. Stop it.
This pizza's good enough for me to stop dipping.
Hey, do dip or don't dip? That's the question. Now,
This
turn off the
pizza,
timer. That's
This
it.
is some high quality H2O.
I kind of want to hug you for that. That was some good stuff. Just kidding. Stab, stab. I don't have a knife. Tricked you. You do. I should watch my back. You might comb my hair. You might comb my hair. I don't like my hair.
I'm a ninja.
Okay, anyway, this video is getting a little bit long. I'm guessing that's what you're thinking.
But there's one thing that we forgot to put on this pizza. And that's a little bit of Ajax. Oh, and a little bit of Ajax. That's on the pizza. That's all you
Time
need to
out,
make it
time
in.
out, time out, time out. I touched the thing. I burnt my finger. Look what you made me do.
Ah,
Oh my gosh.
Billy, that hurt real bad.
Now, before we eat this pizza, I'm going to have to unbutton this a little. See? There's a few rungs here.
Please don't, Billy.
I'm gonna-
Please, please. Save the viewers.
Time
Please.
out. Okay. That's,
There's a little bit of Ajax.
my stomach can expand
That's really all you
like
need.
Fort Knox gold.
There's like a squirt on the pizza and then drop it.
Get rid of that crap. I gotta pull up my pants.
It's been a good video for the Ajax crew.
See ya, suckers.
See you next video. And
Don't do that. Do
we're
that.
gonna
Don't
enjoy this
hurt.
pizza.
Bye. See ya.
Don't hurt.
Hey, see ya. Get out here.
It's
We're
ripping
done.
pants off
We gotta
today.
eat. Bye.